In this lecture, we'll try to understand about in operator. So in operator is also used whenever you want to filter out the data. But in operator is mainly used when you want to filter the data based on the condition, and that condition is specified in the list. Let's try to understand with the example, then things will be more better and you will understand it very easily. I know that. So we know this is a employee table. We got to know about the employee table, right? We have a records are there of different year. Let's say I want to filter out the data of year 2002, 2011 and 1988. These 3 years of data I want. Now how will I do that? This is possible with the help of where condition also. So I can do like this, select star from emp where year equals to 2002, then I need to mention and year equals to 1988 and year equals to 2011. If I do like this, what will happen? Let's try to understand. I'm not getting any data. It means there is something wrong, right? It means I have not used the correct syntax where year equals to 2002 and if I'm mentioning or, then what will happen? Let's see. Say I'm getting a data. I'm getting a data of 2002, 1988, 2011. Okay, I'm getting a data. But what's the problem here? The problem is every time I need to specify, or operator like this. So instead of that, can we create one list? And in that list, we'll just mention the year. Then it will be more better. So if I want to simplify this query, now it is only 3 years. But if I want to simplify this query, so I will use in operator and it will looks like this. Select star from emp where year in, and this is a list. This is a list. In that list, I'll just mention the year 2002, 1988, 2011, and then let me try to fire this query. So we got the result. If you check the result, you can see the result is only containing 2002, 1988 and 2011. You don't see any data apart from this. If I just scroll it down also, you are not able to see any data. Now I can do my order by also. Order by year DSC. So I got it. 2011 on the top because order by year. 1988 records are there. Scroll it down. 2002 and 1988. So we can see only 3 years of data. So it is very difficult. It is very easy now to just enter the year whatever you want to filter out the data. So you can use the in operator with the column. You just need to specify the column where you need to make the filter. This is the importance of in operator. I hope this is clear. Thank you.